So recently I got to know about this awesome extension. Well, it's so simple but yet so cool. And it helps you in determining colors. But not determining, I would say, to recognize them. Well, by default, when you open a CSS and have a bunch of colors, it renders the color by default. But what if you have colors in a JS file? Well, you're on your own. Either you know the hex value, which is I don't think anyone does, or you would be like copying this and pasting it somewhere else. But if you go onto the extension page and will look for this color highlight, well, I have installed it already. You can install it. I'll link that in the comments or somewhere. You just enable it and the magic is here. Now, as you can see, the color codes and RGB, anything that is related to colors are highlighted with whatever the color is. This same goes for the CSS. It looked good to me, so I thought of sharing. Thanks, man. Follow for more these kind of shots. Thank you.